Dear students, welcome once again in the series of video lesson for Standard 4 Computer Science. In today's video lesson, you will learn about storage devices of computer. Important points that will be covered in today's video lesson includes introduction, why do we need storage devices, memory types, primary memory and secondary memory. Let us begin with the question, why do we need memory unit in the computer? We will discuss this question with respect to the human brain. We as human collects the data input from outside environment through our sensory organs. This data goes in the brain for further processing. Here, brain uses both short-term and long-term memory to process the data. Based on this information, we perform our actions. In this way, brain uses memory to compare and analyze the data and come to some conclusion. In the similar way, computer uses its memory to refer to the stored data, which may include instructions, intermediate and final results, audio and video files. Therefore, memory unit or storage unit is one of the very important unit of computer. Memory unit types. Based on the use, location and manufacturing technology used, memory unit is classified as primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory includes RAM, ROM, and secondary memory includes various devices such as hard disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, pen drive, SD card, etc. We will learn about all these devices in detail in our next slides. Primary memory, RAM. RAM is called as random access memory. It is a semiconductor memory. It is located inside the CPU on the motherboard of a computer. Therefore, it is also called as internal memory of a computer. It is used as a temporary storage to load instructions and operating system. Primary memory, ROM. It is called as read-only memory. It is also a semiconductor memory and located inside the CPU on the motherboard. It is used as a permanent storage to store some important programs like setup utility. Most of the time, it is programmed in the company which manufactures the computer. Secondary memory, hard disk drive. Hard disk drive is a magnetic memory. It is also located inside the CPU cabinet, but it is not on the motherboard like RAM and ROM. It is used as a permanent storage. to store operating system and other files. It is user accessible, means you can read or write the data on the hard drive. Secondary memory: CD, DVD, BD. CD is called as compact disc, DVD is called as digital versatile disc, and BD is called as Blu-ray disc. All these types of disc uses optical medium to store the information. They are also called as external memory, and they are portable in nature, means once the data is stored onto this device, you can carry this device anywhere. It is used to store various types of audio and video files. It is also user accessible for read and write. Secondary memory: PD, SD card, flash drive. PD stands for pen drive. SD card is called as secure digital card. This type of memory uses solid state technology as a storage medium. This type of memory are also external memory, and they are portable in nature. They are used as a permanent storage to store various types of media files. These types of memory are also user accessible, and you can read or write the data on these devices. So in this way, memory unit or storage unit works as one of the very important unit of a computer. I hope you must have understood today's topic. In our next video lesson, we will start Microsoft Word. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, take care.